Hello, book leaguers, teachers, parents, and caregivers. I have a great book to read. This book inspires children to dream big and work hard on their dreams. It also offers 2 examples of step-by-step plans about how to achieve goals. The name of the book is Little Ones Have Beautiful Dreams, written by Jessica Glade, illustrated by Iris Davidenko. Let's go. Every small child holds deep in their heart a dream for the future, a shining new start. As a doctor, a firefighter, or a teacher of art, maybe multiple dreams, maybe dreams off the chart. Dreams of little people are balloons without air. They are all beautiful with a message to share. But they need the right person to fill them with care so that each of our dreams can take us somewhere. So grab your balloon and make sure it's bright. Breathe into that dream with all of your might. Stand back and enjoy this beautiful sight as your big balloon dream takes off like a kite. With hope in your heart, your idea will glow. Take care of that dream to make sure it will grow. It isn't important if you go fast or slow, but give it your all and your effort will show. All of your friends who care about you will be so inspired by the things that you do. Then do not worry if the dream is brand new. You took the first step. Now take the next few. Make sure your balloon has plenty of air to last a long time, to really get there. It's best to have help from people who care. Dreams will go farther if we know how to share. So always remember that help can be found when we feel our balloon is stuck on the ground. Ask parents and friends, whoever's around, to help us make sure our dream is skybound. If we give enough effort whenever we can, our balloon will be filled in a shorter time span. Laziness will keep our dream in our hand and not in the sky flying over the land. If we always say, "Oh, I don't have time," or "I don't feel like trying," then our dream's on the line. So let's gather our courage with strength in our mind, give air to our balloons so our big dreams can shine. One thing that happens to every human being is that we forget the point of our dream. We can't remember why we started this thing. So during that time, we just hold tight to the string because this old world needs more beautiful things. The dreams of little ones are needed all about. Your dreams are big gifts we can't live without. And if there is a time when you feel filled with doubt, say your dream loud with pride. Say your dream with a shout. Never give up. I'll tell you why. Your dream will inspire other people to try. Just fill your balloon and send it up high. Care for it and love it and let that thing fly. Here is a step-by-step plan on how to achieve your dream. Now it's your turn. Grab a sheet of paper and colorful markers and mark your own step-by-step plan about how to achieve your dream. Good luck!